Let me look at Elly's reaction. Am I a dog now? Does Daddy sound like a dog? Daddy sounds like a dog? Yeah? I sound like a doggy? I sound like a doggy. Yeah? You like that? You want me to do it again? Do it again? You like that? Ah, you like it. Okay, sweetheart. You like Daddy sounding like a dog? Okay. You gonna be a good girl if I do it? Or you a good girl? Elly. Elly is the bad girl. Right, Elly? Bella's a good girl. Toby's a bad boy. Good thing he's calm right now. Daddy will take you on a walk in the field, okay, baby? Okay, sweetheart? I'll take you to your walk soon, okay? All right, beautiful? Okay.